Okay, hello everyone. So let's try to install VirtualBox on Windows 11. Just type VirtualBox on Google. You will see this one. Click downloads. Okay, so now VirtualBox is version 7. Okay, let's try this one. Windows host. Go to download this one. Okay, let's wait and download until you download everything. Okay, yeah. So there's a lot of something there. Okay, I think I also need to download this one as well. Okay, our support system. Okay, it's downloading. VirtualBox into software development kit. Maybe this one as well. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So yeah, it's good. And when your download is complete, so previously there are some known issues about using VirtualBox with WSL2. So as you can see here, my Windows I already installed. As you can see here, I already installed this one, WSL2. Now I'm in WSL2 here. So what I'm going to do is to make sure that I can use both VirtualBox with WSL2. Okay, so I just finished downloading VirtualBox. Let me open it and click start. Next. Yep, VirtualBox proceeding. Yes. Okay. Yes. Click install. Just wait a few seconds. Going to close WSL2. Yes, start VirtualBox. Okay. Okay, so this is VirtualBox. You can see here. I have VirtualBox inside me right now. That is fantastic. Okay, so I need to go to preference. Input. Okay, I think everything is looking good. Update. Play proxy interface. Video machine. What are you doing it? Okay. I think I need to open this up as well. Install. Read everything. Agree. Okay, that one is looking good to me. Nice. Okay, so let's create a new VirtualBox. Let's type it Ubuntu. I'm gonna put in demo so that let me navigate to the one I'm looking for. Okay, so you have to go to this one. Let's type Ubuntu. This one. And let's use this one. Okay, I have this one. Edition I know is there. Okay, so type next IS folders. Okay, VirtualBox Linux system. Expert mode, I think. Yeah, I can type Ubuntu. We'll have everything again, you see. I'll have this one, type Ubuntu. Okay, hardware, password. Now also Ubuntu. Name, password. What password? Change. Okay, interesting. No, hardware solution. 2. Yeah, 2 is fine, I think. Okay. Hardware. Okay, I think we should block this image. That is good. Use this one, to allocate everything, but I think it's okay to have VirtualBox. Okay, so I think here you go, it's fine, I think. You can see it's good. Nice. Finish. Just need to add new Ubuntu. Make sure that you have processor 2, RAM about 2 GB or 1 GB thing. So let's try 2 GB. Processor have at least 2. And this is my default setting, okay? And when you click start, you go into install this one. As you can see here, is installing Ubuntu on VirtualBox. And not only that, I'm also running my WSL2 here. Okay, yeah, this is WSL2 as you can see here. in WSL2. And just so you know, I also want to share the Windows feature. Need to type Windows feature on start in start menu, and this is I check this one. I also check many more options here: virtual machine platform, Windows hypervisor platform. Of course, just to make sure that we can run both VirtualBox and WSL2. Okay, yeah, I mean run the virtual machines here. So it's getting started. Let's go, everyone. The total button here is working great. It's not slow, as you can see, because I have two processors here. It's good. So that's all from me, everyone. Hopefully you can run both WSL2 and Ubuntu. Make sure that the Windows features are the same like mine. Okay, so that's all from me. Bye bye.